BrainBobble presents Money Mindset. How your attitude affects your finances. Your attitude can have a significant impact on your finances. A negative mindset can lead to overspending, accruing debt, and a lack of financial planning. Conversely, a positive mindset can help you feel empowered and in control of your finances, leading to better decision-making and more responsible spending habits. Cultivating a healthy money mindset involves examining your beliefs about money, practicing gratitude for what you have, setting financial goals, and staying motivated through challenges. By adopting an optimistic and proactive attitude towards your finances, you can take charge of your financial future and achieve long-term financial success. 1. Effect on spending habits. Your thoughts and attitudes about money play a big role in how you spend it. If you have a negative and pessimistic mindset, you may find it hard to avoid impulse purchases and overspending on frivolous items. To take a mindful approach to your spending habits, start by identifying your core values and priorities. Reflect on what matters most to you and use this information to guide your purchasing decisions. Practice gratitude when considering new purchases and evaluate whether each item aligns with your values and supports your goals. Additionally, set clear financial goals and track your progress regularly. By prioritizing the things that matter most to you, you can learn to manage your finances more effectively and avoid falling into the trap of mindless consumption. 2. Effect on budgeting and saving. Without a positive mindset, staying motivated to achieve your financial goals can be difficult. A negative outlook can leave you feeling defeated and unable to make progress. However, if you cultivate a more positive and proactive outlook, you can develop the skills and habits necessary to manage your finances with confidence. Setting clear financial goals and tracking your progress regularly helps you to stay motivated and focused on your priorities. Additionally, by adopting an optimistic and open mindset towards money, you can learn to spot opportunities for growth and improvement, and take action to achieve your goals. 3. Effect on personal finance. When it comes to personal finance, cultivating a willingness to learn is essential for your financial success. Your thoughts and attitudes towards money can have a significant impact on how open you are to new ideas and information. If you approach personal finance with a closed mindset, you may believe that you know everything there is to know and miss out on opportunities to learn and grow. However, if you adopt a more curious and open-minded attitude, you can take advantage of resources and tools that can help you achieve your financial goals. Staying engaged and actively seeking out new information and ideas allows you to build your knowledge base and become more confident in your ability to manage your finances effectively. 4. Effect on financial goal setting. Setting clear financial goals is an essential part of achieving your financial dreams, and your mindset can play a crucial role in this process. If you have a negative and pessimistic attitude towards money, you may find it hard to envision a future in which you are financially successful. In contrast, adopting a more positive and proactive outlook can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Creating a clear vision of your financial goals and breaking them down into actionable steps will help you map out your financial journey. Additionally, by regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals, you can stay on track and ensure that you are making progress towards achieving your dreams. 5. Effect on confidence and ability to manage money. The attitude you have towards money can greatly impact your confidence in managing it effectively. If you have a negative or fearful attitude towards money, you may feel like managing your finances is overwhelming and difficult. This can make you hesitant to take action or make decisions, which can lead to missed opportunities and financial struggles. On the other hand, if you have a positive and proactive mindset, you're more likely to believe in your ability to manage your finances and make informed decisions. This can help you feel more confident about taking action and making changes to improve your financial situation. Developing a mindset that is optimistic and geared towards growth will help you build the confidence and skills required to manage your money effectively and achieve financial independence. Remember that managing your finances is a skill that can be learned, and by taking small steps and seeking out support and resources, you can overcome any obstacles and achieve your financial goals. 6. Effect on ability to adapt to changing circumstances. The way you think about money can profoundly influence your ability to adapt to changing circumstances. If you have a fixed mindset when it comes to money, you may feel like you don't have control over your financial situation and that it's impossible to make changes or overcome challenges. This can make it challenging to adapt to unexpected situations, such as job loss or unexpected expenses. On the other hand, if you have a growth mindset, you are more likely to embrace change and view challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. This can help you be more adaptable in the face of changing circumstances, enabling you to take action and make informed decisions to improve your financial situation. Nurturing an optimistic and forward-thinking attitude towards money, as well as learning to see challenges as opportunities, will help you become more resilient and better equipped to handle any changes or difficulties that come your way. Keep in mind that cultivating a positive and growth-oriented attitude towards money is something that can be learned with time and effort. The more you practice it, the more adaptive and effective you'll become in managing your finances. 7. Effect on willingness to seek help and advice. Having a fixed or rigid money mindset can cause you to feel too proud or stubborn to ask for help when you need it, leading to missed opportunities for growth and costly financial mistakes. By adopting a more open-minded and humble attitude towards money, you'll be able to learn from others who have gone before you and gain valuable insight and perspective from financial advisors or mentors. Recognize that seeking help is a sign of strength and a commitment to learning and growing. No one has all the answers, and everyone faces unique financial circumstances. When you adopt a growth-oriented mindset and seek help when you need it, you will be better equipped to manage your finances effectively and achieve your long-term financial goals. 8. Effect on ability to give back. Your outlook on money can have a significant impact on your financial goals and overall well-being. When you foster a spirit of generosity and compassion, you shift your focus from being solely self-serving to serving others. This shift in focus can enable you to make a difference in your community or causes you care about, in turn, leaving a lasting legacy that goes beyond just your finances. Contrary to popular belief, giving doesn't always involve money, and volunteering your time and services can be just as meaningful. When you focus on making an impact in the lives of others, you'll find fulfillment and purpose. You don't have to be wealthy to give back. Everybody has something they can contribute, no matter how small. Therefore, fostering a positive attitude towards money and generosity can not only help you achieve financial goals but also provide a sense of purpose and meaning in life. Your attitude towards money can greatly impact your financial success and overall quality of life. Whether you struggle with limiting beliefs, negative self-talk, or lack of confidence, it's important to recognize the power of your mindset and make a conscious effort to cultivate a more positive and proactive outlook. By setting clear financial goals, tracking your progress, seeking help when necessary, and adopting a growth-oriented mindset, you can achieve greater financial stability and security, and find fulfillment in all areas of your life. Remember that change takes time and effort, but with dedication and perseverance, you can transform your relationship with money and achieve your dreams. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.